In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView News Feed. This is a simple but powerful way to stay on top of market-moving headlines without leaving your charts or switching tools. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the news flow, how stories are organized, and how to narrow the stream so you only see what matters to you. Start by opening TradingView and logging in. Being signed in ensures the experience is tailored to your account, and it helps the platform remember your preferences as you work. Once you're in, look at the top menu. Hover over or click Products, then choose News Flow. That takes you straight to the full news feed, where all available articles are collected in one place. On this page, the main list presents headlines sorted by time, with the newest items first. This makes it easy to scan what just happened and work your way back if you need more context. You'll typically see a timestamp alongside each headline and the source that provided it, which helps you judge timeliness and credibility at a glance. It's a good habit to check those details before you dive in, especially on fast-moving days. To focus the feed, use the filters provided. You can filter by markets or asset classes if you want to see just equities, forex, crypto, futures, or a combination that suits your trading style. If you track specific instruments, the symbols or watch lists filter is ideal. It narrows the feed to the tickers you care about most, which helps cut through noise when you're preparing for a session. You can also filter by news providers. If you prefer certain outlets or want to compare multiple perspectives, adjusting this filter keeps the feed aligned with your preferences. Finally, you can filter by regions or event types. That's especially helpful for focusing on a particular economy or isolating items like earnings, macro data, or policy headlines that tend to move markets. When a headline catches your eye, click it to read the full article inside TradingView. The story opens within the platform, so you can stay in your workflow and quickly return to the feed when you're done. As you read, consider how the information ties back to your instruments, your time frame, and your risk plan. To recap, open TradingView and log in, go to Products and select News Flow, review the newest first headlines, use filters to tailor the stream, and click any headline to read the full piece within the platform. With these steps, you'll make the news flow a practical part of your daily routine.